and welcome back to my channel. My name is Katelyn and my channel's name is My Randomly Organized Life. And just like the title of the video, today I am sharing with you what I recently got in my Walmart beauty box. But before we go ahead and get into that, I do want to say thank you for watching today's video. And if you like this type of video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new, please consider subscribing before you head on out, and we'll go ahead and get started. So if you haven't heard of the Walmart Beauty Box, it is a quarterly subscription and it's $5 each quarter. And basically you just get a box of samples. They're all sample sizes, and I know I've said this in previous videos. I don't mind getting sample sizes because that way if it's something I don't like, I don't feel like I'm wasting it or that I'm paying for a full price or a full size item and then wasting my money. So I don't like to waste money or waste product, so samples are great for me. But each time there is this little card that just says, embrace your beauty. Oh, sorry for any glare that's on there. And then they usually send some kind of like pamphlets about some of the items. So just some additional information. Occasionally there's coupons and things like that, but I didn't see any in this box. So I actually got a lot of products in this box, more than I have in previous boxes. Some are duplicates, which that's fine with me because they actually are things that I like. So one of the duplicates that I've got is this Pantene Pro V foam conditioner. So I've gotten this a few other times and I actually like this product, so it's okay. But I've said this in other videos before, but for sample sizes of things that I use in the shower, I have like a little caddy that I've hung on the hooks that hold the curtain rod, and I just keep the sample sizes in there of like conditioners and shampoos and body washes and things like that so that I don't forget to use them, because for me, if something's out of sight, it's out of mind and I'll forget to use them and they'll go bad, and then again wasting product. So I like to keep these sample sizes in my shower so that they're at my fingertips and I can use them as I need them. So another duplicate is the Kleenex wet wipes, the Gentle Clean. So I keep this in my purse because I have wipes in the diaper bag, but sometimes if I'm just running into the store quick and I have like Barrett, my youngest, who's 2 and still in diapers, sometimes I'll take these, and these are actually really good for hands as well, just like the picture shows, the dirty hands. And if your kids are like mine, they're playing outside all the time. This time of year, it is extremely muddy out. So they're constantly, you know, getting mud on their hands or who knows what. But so having these wet wipes handy is really helpful because you can just wipe them up and they're clean. So I really like these. Okay, so the next product here is from La Bella. And it is a 2-pack. So one is a soothing shampoo and then one is a Max Hold styling gel. So that's what those look like. So I'll for sure use the shampoo. I honestly don't use a lot of product in my hair, so I'm not too sure about the styling gel, but that's okay. We'll try it out. I mean, I don't know exactly when or how soon I'll use it, but I'm sure there'll be a time that I use it. But I really like the packaging. It's super cute. And these are perfect when you're traveling. So for us, we travel quite a bit, and we will be traveling here in the fall and the winter with Thanksgiving and Christmas and everything. So these would be good to take traveling as well because they're small and there is no cap, so they won't leak or anything. So these are perfect for that. So next up is this, is it Nivea or Nivea? I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but it's a body lotion, just their aloe vera. It's a 24-hour soothing moisture lotion. So again, just a sample size of that. So I'm sure I'll like this. I am not extremely picky when it comes to lotions other than the scent. And with it being aloe vera, I'm sure it's a very clean, very neutral scent. So I'm not worried about that. But these would be good traveling as well, or just to throw in the diaper bag or in my purse. So definitely love getting lotions. So the next 2 products are masks. So one is a face mask and one is a lip mask. So I don't think I've ever used a lip mask. These kind of seem weird to me. So, but it's from the brand Suye, I think is how you pronounce it. But it just says My Collagen Hydrogel Lip Patch, and it's in Super Berry. So I've never used one, like I said. So I would love to know what your thoughts are on lip masks, because it just seems like a weird concept to me. Maybe I'm the weird one, but I don't know. But basically, you apply it to clean lips and you leave on for 10 to 15 minutes and then remove it, pat remaining essence with fingertips to improve absorption. It says it's infused with a special blend of collagen, nutrient-rich fruit, and plant extracts to soothe and plump lips with moisture. So, definitely want to know what your thoughts are. Again, like I said, I've never used a lip mask. I think it's kind of strange, but again, maybe I'm the strange one. The other mask is a face mask, and it's from the brand Freeman. It's a hydrating cactus and cloudberry water gel mask. It's for all skin types. It doesn't say. So it's a leave-on mask, but here's what the package looks like. Again, sorry for any glare. I have my lights on today just because it's super cloudy outside. It's basically been raining for 2 weeks here. I live in Iowa, for those that don't know, and it's been raining a lot. So this is a gel mask. Let's see. It says apply to clean face and neck, avoiding contact with eyes and hairline. Leave on for optimal results, or rinse off with warm water after 10 minutes. Use twice per week as often as needed. I don't think I've ever used a leave-on mask other than like a moisturizer, but I wouldn't consider that a mask. But yeah, so this one I'll be interested to try it out. The water gel mask seems interesting, and I don't know what cloudberry is. Has anyone else heard of cloudberry? It's a cute name. I guess, I don't know. I'm assuming that's what these little orange berries are on the package. But again, never heard of them, but I've used other Freeman masks before and I've liked them, so I'm sure I'll like this one as well. So I have 3 more products, and the last 3 are definitely ones that I've never used before. This one is from Maybelline. It is their Master Precise All Day Liquid Liner. So this is what that looks like. And then I'll show you the tip, just a standard tip on there. I will say I'm not a big liquid eyeliner fan, just because I do only put it on the bottom. I don't typically put liquid on the top, and I feel like, at least in the past when I've tried liquid eyeliner, if I put it on the bottom, it just goes into my eye. So I don't typically go for that, but I'll try it out. I'll give it a shot. And that's, again, why I like getting sample sizes, because I don't feel bad if I end up getting something that I don't like. So this product is from Biore. It is a Free Your Pores charcoal. It's a charcoal cleansing micellar water, however you say that. I'm sure I'm saying that terribly wrong. But it's great for oily skin, which is perfect for me because I do have oily skin. It removes makeup, deep cleans pores, and refreshes. So this is what that looks like. I'll be definitely interested to try this out because, again, it says it's for oily skin, and I'm always looking for things that work well with oily skin, just because that is something I struggle with, like, daily. But it says to wet a cotton pad and wipe all over the face until skin is completely clean. To remove eye makeup, hold the pad over a closed eye for a few seconds and then just wipe away. No need for harsh rubbing. It says use daily, morning, day or night. No need to rinse. So again, definitely interested in trying this out. Always looking for things that work with oily skin. So the last item I have is from the brand Hello. It is a fluoride-free whitening toothpaste with activated charcoal. So I'll be interested to try that out because I've never used a charcoal toothpaste, but it sounds interesting to me. I mean, I know the charcoal is like all the rage now. It's all over the place. So I'll be definitely interested to try this out. It's a mint and coconut oil is like the scent or the flavor. Okay, so I opened it up because I really wanted to see if it actually was black, which I assumed it was because it's charcoal. but you can see that it is black. I should definitely take a picture of me using this because I think it would look really funny with black toothpaste. Definitely interested in trying this out. Again, like I said, I've never used a charcoal toothpaste, and I'm always looking for toothpaste that work. Hopefully it's okay with sensitive teeth. I'm assuming since it's fluoride free, it'll be fine, just because I do have sensitive teeth. So definitely interested in trying this out. Okay, so that is everything that I got in my Walmart beauty box this time. And again, I'll leave my link and everything down below if you're interested in checking it out. It is all sample sizes. I mean, occasionally they might throw in a full size, but I've typically noticed that it is sample sizes, which again is fine with me. But if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new, please consider subscribing and join our YouTube family. I'd love to have you. And if you have any video suggestions, definitely comment those below. And leave comments as well if these are products that you've tried yourself. I would love to know your opinions on them. And I will catch you in the next one.